So just to kind of summarize some of it real quick, I know I've kind of run through a lot of this. Get your on page right. Have your service pages, your city pages. Make sure your title tags are right, your meta descriptions, your H1s, your URL strings, or you want your keywords and your URLs, your images. So make sure you got all that stuff covered. Your unique content, your Google My Business. Make sure you got all that claimed, optimized. Get all your citations cleaned up, your name, address, phone number. Get all that submitted and cleaned up. You can use there's a bunch of data aggregators out there too you can use as well. And then you want to consistently get more and more citations too, because that's the fresh content, and Google can see that. They'll be able to pick up on those signals. I would recommend doing a blog post and then syndicating that out, via a signal engine, kind of like what I showed you. Well, I showed you how powerful it is. With our client, right? He wasn't the old company he was working with wasn't implementing that, and as you can see, he had one number one ranking to now having 50 number one rankings just from that. That's crazy. And as I can show you, basically, there's still a ton of other keywords we can get him ranked for, right? And I showed you all the different combinations you can do earlier. So what we do with our clients is we get on number one there, we try to hold that position, and then we try to go after more keywords to get them to number one. We know, once you get number one, you better believe it, somebody's going to take you out. You can't just sit and forget it, because whenever we get a new client, that's how we look at it. Whoever's above them, we're coming for you. That's just the way that's our job, right? Take care of our clients and get them ranking and then hold that position. So just make sure that, whoever you're working with or whatever, or even if you do it on your own, just make sure you're doing that, because it's extremely powerful right now. And it's a safe, long-term way to build authority and trust and expertise, around your brand, around your website. So, all right. So, I kind of touched on this, but, just to take an even higher view, remember, a good website with pages, get your city pages set up with geo modifiers in there. So water damage Orlando, you want all that on your Orlando page. You want unique content. You want to leverage multimedia to enhance your time on page and reduce your bounce rate. We talked about that. Some engaging pictures, engaging videos. But again, the caveat to that is don't be loading up your website with these heavy, high pixel videos, and because you're going to slow your site speed down, right? That's why it's important to be thinking of this from all angles. Get reviews are so important. Make sure you have a review strategy in place to push some reviews to your website as well as to your Google My Business. Build up your citations, get all those cleaned up, consistent, and then have a consistent process in place to get more and more citations. Post updated contents, and build links and authority. And then something you can do as well is leverage paid search to identify high converting keywords, right? So some of those keywords I was showing you guys earlier, the only reason I know that is, I've been doing this for years. We've run hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of paid ads, right, by this point. So if you look at that data, that's how we've been like, whoa, wait a minute, what's this keyword? Who to call for flooded basement? And then we can follow that call all the way through to our clients. Oh man, David got a $10,000 basement job from that. That might be a keyword you want to go after, right? And paid search allows you to do that quickly to see the keywords that are working for you. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.